Hey everyone, welcome to part 6 of the Game Boy tutorial. So far we've got all our details on the front, our side, bottom and top. So I think we're just going to focus on getting the back finished. So let's turn our not our decal, sorry, our canvas on. And then we don't have a canvas for the back, do we? So we want to have Okay, so we've got these sort of grooves in here and then some holes with screws in at the top as well. So let's do those holes first. So if we create a sketch here, and then let's do something not that big, maybe a bit bigger, 3. Control C, Control V. Let's move that over here, and then Control C, Control V. Bring them both down. How far about? Yeah, somewhere like that. Oh, there we go. There, that's better. Didn't grab the right thing. Okay, let's hit E for extrude. Just grab those circles. And then let's just drag down a bit. Okay. We might put some screws in. We'll see how long we're doing, how well we're doing for time. All right. So we then have battery pack. So let's do that one. So let's create a sketch here. And realistically, what we're looking at. Okay, so it's quite big. Let's find the middle there. Okay, it's not really quite that big. Let's just bring it in to there. And then probably about half of that. Let's do maybe like that. Okay, and then let's just trim this bit off because I don't want it. Not want you either. And then let's do. Okay, let's do a pipe. We love a good pipe. Oh, great. Pipe again, we're just trying to give the illusion that it sort of opens up. Or do we actually want to extrude it up a bit? No, we don't, because it sits in. Okay, then let's do a sketch. Again, we're not actually making a working model here, we're just trying to sort of make it look like it would work. For a rectangle, let's find the middle. Let's come up to about there. E, extrude. Let's come down a bit. Let's fillet these edges. And the whole reason for filleting edges is that in reality nothing is like sharp edge unless you're talking about like a blade or something. So it just makes it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, excuse me. And okay, then we want like what looks like the actual clip. Okay, we can do that. Let's do another rectangle. Again, let's go around the middle. Let's do put it down, and then do one more rectangle. Again, from the middle. Up. And now let's do a new body. Let's do combine. Top body. Let's keep this one. And then round that off. Quite a bit. Let's again fill it. These edges. I'll do these ones as well. And you. And you. Okay, so that kind of looks like our little clip to remove battery pack. We need to have a little indent up here where there'll be some instructions. Of a rectangle. Let's find the middle. Let's just come up and go right there. Go it down a little bit. For fillet, let's grab all these edges. And then last one. In a little bit, but there. Okay, and then I think really the last thing for us to do, yeah, it's pretty much just to do these little grooves that we need to have. Now, we don't know where they need to be on the back, but we do have on our canvases, on the side view, we have them there. Okay, so we do roughly know where they need to be. So let's go to sketch, and then let's, no, that's the wrong side to sketch on. Let's do it on this side. Sorry, so let's, oh, first of all, I think probably a good idea to fillet these corners a little bit, so they're again a little bit less harsh. Okay, now let's do that. So let's sketch, flip you back around. Let's P for project, and let's project you. Okay, let's just check we've got, yeah. Okay, so now let's finish that. Let's go to create pipe, our favorite friend. Probably going to tell us that that pipe is not going to work because of that particular area there. Okay, let's try something. Let's create a pipe with this part first. Intersect itself. Okay, let's not chain select. Let's create pipe. Oh, create pipe. Chain selection off. Okay, let's make that smaller. Let's do 0.5. There you go. Okay. And do I need to have it? Yes, I need to have that. Okay. Okay, let's keep that as a new body. Let's turn our sketch back on. Let's do the same again. Let's create pipe. Oh, let's do most of this one now, I think. Okay, and again, let's do a new body. And then let's go to create pipe. And we want to come across here. Again, we're going to get a new body. Okay, so what I want to do now is 1, 2, 3. Let's isolate. Okay, let's first of all let's combine those. Let's combine you, and we want join you. Okay, so that is now one, and then let's make that bigger. So let's go to modify and scale, and let's make that 2. No, let's not do that. Let's do 0.5. Oh no, that's half. Duh. Let's do 1.5. Actually, let's just try something. Let's isolate. Okay, so let's move down to position. Yeah, we do want that to be a bit bigger if we can do. Let's try again. Let's do scale. Do non-uniform. No, that won't work. Uniform. That's not going to intersect anymore, is it? No. Okay, never mind with that. Let's then take our pipe and then let's pattern that. So let's go to create pattern, rectangular pattern. Create pattern. We want bodies this time. Okay, and direction this way. Let's drag it down. And then let's up those numbers. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Right, so now let's do combine, cut, and then let's grab all of these. Cut, hit OK. Let's then turn our canvas off. Let's turn that sketch off because we don't want that anymore. And I would say we are pretty much finished. So let's just check our reference image. So we've got all the details there. Maybe we'll put a little groove in where the, let's go here. Let's go to create and slot. That looks a bit too big. Let's create. Hang on, first of all, let's do a line to find the middle. There we go. Okay, let's go to create slot, center to center slot. Okay, then let's do midpoint like that. Let's then drag down just a bit, and then let's just fit it round. Okay, so let's just go around, just check, or maybe we need to fill it all around the edges a little bit as well. So line under. I think that is as finished. Okay. So let's just jump into design. Maybe we'll just add like a very light fillet just around the edges, just so it's not maybe a bit more than that. Everywhere else seems good. Okay, so last thing I sort of want to sort out is translucency of this. I'll turn that down a bit. Let's see. Turn on this a bit. Okay, that looks better. Right, so what I'll then do is we will stop that there. I think we got some really nice details into that. I'm going to do a final high quality render of it, and then what I might do is a few little maybe let's have a look. Okay, let's see. PNG. Let's do like that. And then let's maybe get like this one. Bear with me a second, or three. Done. All right. So then let's get to design. Let's go to insert, decal, insert for computer, download. And all I'm doing for this, the whole reason here is literally just to sort of take away some of the cleanliness of the, there you go, looks a bit more like it, and let's do the same all around. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, let's just carry on with that for a second, see how we do. Just rinse and repeat for a little bit. So all I'm doing is inserting a dirt decal and just making it really stretch out. So I don't want it massively dirty, but it just sort of takes away, because it's quite an old thing as a Game Boy, and it shouldn't be super clean because it would look weird if it was. So I'm just going to make it look a little bit more realistic to how it would really be. Again, let's just drag. Okay, let's take a look at that. That looks a bit better, a little bit more grungy. Okay, so let's stop there. I'm going to hit render and do a local render. And then we'll see how it looks. And I'll post. Well, let's see how long I reckon it's going to take. Not long. Let's see. Okay, let's just play around for a second. Oh no, not texture map control. Sorry, that is the wrong thing. Scene setup. Bring that down a bit. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. Yeah, bring that back to about 700. Background. That's reflect. There we go. Okay, let's try that. Let's find a slightly different angle. Render. Again, hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can get a better view. Do one more. Let's have a look. Okay, I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, I'm pretty sure my Fusion is freezing. What we'll do is we'll start the video. I'll literally just post the final render at the end of this video as well. Hopefully you found that quite useful. Quite a fun little tutorial to do. If you've got any requests of the kind of things you'd like to have a look at modelling, send me an email, let me know, and I'll have a look at putting it together.